Yeah, looking good. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog, and today I'm riding with ALMS NYC, the maker of sweet bags and other sweet things. But we're going to Spiegel. We're going to Spiegel for a two-wheel Tuesday, and it's gonna be fun. My buddy Sean is riding his new bike, and it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. It's a beautiful day, beautiful Tuesday, and yeah, I'm gonna go to Two Wheel Tuesday. It's like this weekly meetup for New York City motorcycle life, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. And but yeah, see, ALMS NYC right there, that's the dude's company. And today is a special day because there's been this dramatic thing about like the owner of Spiegel, where I'm going, he got his bike stolen this morning, and by the afternoon it was recovered through the power of social media, and the fucking piece of shit scumbag who stole it got taken, you know. And it's too bad I wasn't talking to Sean this whole time while we're waiting at this red light, but it's okay. Here we go. I have never ridden with Sean before, so this is exciting. His bike is relatively new. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to lane split a little bit. Look at this madness. Like there's a popo ahead. I don't see him though. A little split-a-roo vlog can always be worse. Nothing wrong with a little split. Yeah, my buddy Sean, he has taken that bike to a track day, which is pretty badass. Fuck yeah. Yeah, you're good. Hopefully that helmet does not bounce off. It's he's carrying a second helmet, and it's connected by a little net. Come ahead. Get on the camera. Oh, this is beautiful, New York City. Dude, fuck yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Giving somebody a high five on a motorcycle and not getting one back is equivalent to like, not high five, but thumbs up is equivalent to giving somebody a high five and they don't slap it back, you know? But it's okay. Yeah. Looking good. Alright, now we're gonna have to come down a little bit. Oh well. Good times, bro. That was fun. Oh no, I lost him. There he is. He's back. Oh, look at that. Look at that train. A little splitter Rubanzai never hurts anyone. So, yeah. Me and Sean met while camping with Union Garage at this like glamping trip that we went to together. It was a good time. He makes these really cool bags. I mean, you probably might have heard of it. Company called ALMS, and they make all sorts of cool stuff. These canvas waxed, waterproof, beautiful bags. Good stuff. And this is his new bike. Still there. Look at it. He like polished the gas tank and everything else is black. Not bad. And you took this bike to the track, right? Oh shit. That's right. Never take that off. Street cred.
It's a picture of a baby on a motorcycle. Like beginner.
Right, because you're yep, and there's a little GoPro. Yeah. Cute. Cute. Wait, you got blue lights?
The previous owner had blue lights.
Sick. Oh no. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting.
Is there any police? Maybe we're good.
No, there's no police. But we also don't take the first right. We take like third right.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, let's go to Allen Street. Nice. Always fun to ride with friends. Nice. You're pretty good at splitting. I don't know what you're talking about. You're going faster than me.
I'm not mad at it. I just don't want to get pulled over.
Yeah, no, I hear that. Yeah, of all things to get pulled over for.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
It's so cool if I'm going to get pulled over.
Alright, so we'll basically cross Houston and take a left. Uh-oh. Fucking prick. Dude. Oh, you fucking suck. Oh, look, there's cops here already. Should be interesting.
I got my papers.
I got my papers. I'm good. We gotta close our shields though.
Yeah, sure.
You know, I also heard you're not supposed to take your hands off handlebars.
Really?
I mean, I don't know.
How am I gonna stretch?
Right. It's insane. Yo. Park right there. There we go. Yeah. I picked like the weirdest spot. I don't know.
I mean, I think there's a lot of weird spots. I'm not
Yeah.
parked on the curb.
Exactly, but it's just like one day all those people got tickets.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because look, it's not a parking spot. It's not a parking zone.
You're right. I'm not going inside.
Yeah,
I think Pop will run over.
all good. All right, man. Well, good ride. This was fun. Good times.
First ride.
You know, that's right.
First ride.
Yeah, I know. Time to have fun.